In this video, I will showcase 3 methods for pinning apps to the desktop or taskbar to display their icons on a Windows PC for easy access. This tutorial focuses on pinning installed applications like MS Word, Facebook, and Google Chrome. For guidance on pinning online website apps like YouTube Music or Google Keep, be sure to check description for the link to our other tutorial. If the app is not already installed, you can get it from Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu and search for the installed app you wish to pin. Right-click on the app and select the Pin to Taskbar option. This will place the app's icon on your taskbar for convenient access. Create app shortcut on desktop. Open the Start menu and search for the app you wish to create a shortcut for example, Google Drive. Right-click and select the Open File Location option. It will open the File Explorer folder. Right-click over the app name, choose the Show More options, and click the Create Shortcut option. Drag and drop method. Open the Start menu and locate the app you want to pin, for example, Calendar. Click and hold the app, then drag it to the taskbar to drop it there. It is pinned on taskbar. This feature is not supported for all apps. Alternatively, you can drag the app directly from the Start menu to your desktop to create a shortcut. To remove the shortcut, right-click on it and select Delete. This action will only remove the shortcut, not the original app. To unpin an app from the taskbar, simply right-click on the app. You can also right-click on any empty space on the taskbar for additional taskbar settings. Please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. You can master your Windows PC and browsers by checking out my other tutorials. Thank you for watching.